Hey everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes here in sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here with more interesting and insightful Corvette information. We are having a very busy day here at the shop. I've got a bunch of people coming to pick up cars, so I didn't have a lot of time to go into a big in-depth video, although I will have one for you next week. We're going to be going over the story behind what are those stripes on the Grand Sport. I had talked to you about that back in October. I've got my script together, I got all my pictures. We're gonna have a nice presentation on that for you next week. Just for this week though, really quickly, I've had a lot of customers in my shop this week who have mobility issues. They're older, they have walkers, they're oxygen, whatever, and they've been asking me hints on how to get in and out of their C5s easier. Now I've covered this in a little bit of detail before, but as we're getting into spring and people who haven't had these cars are getting them for the springtime, here's what you need to know. You do not want to walk up to your car, put your butt against the back of the seat and slide your butt all the way down the seat getting in. It tears the leather, it breaks the bolster of the seat. Best way to get into the car is to do what I'm doing. Face away from the car and sit down like this, then pivot your legs into the car. And GM actually put something on the car to help you with this. You see this ledge right here? That's your hand ledge, okay? Right here, in and out, you just use that to push up. And when you're sitting down, put your hand there and sit back down in. Now, if that isn't enough support for you, there is an interesting tool available that you can use, and it really does work. Let me show it to you. Something similar to this. This is a car safety tool. This particular one has a seatbelt cutter, a flashlight, a glass breaker, but the most important part of this for what we're doing today is this in the handle. So you keep this next to your seat. When you go to get out of the car, you insert it right here in the loop that locks the latch in the door, and from there you have a handle to get in and out of. And I mean, it takes a lot of weight and it's real easy. Here's the key. When you're done with it, you need to take it out and you need to put it next to your seat, because if you don't and you leave it in and you slam your fiberglass door, you could very well break your door. But these things do work exceptionally well, so you just slide it in like this, put your weight on it, get in and out. It's a great handle, but make sure that it comes out and you can keep it right there. So I've got this, I was looking these up and they actually are on like 35% off on Amazon right now. I'm not selling them, but I did link where to go to Amazon to get them. It's like 12 bucks. And the link's below in the description of this video. So if you want one for your car, or if you know somebody who has a Corvette who has a hard time getting in and out of it, and it's a 97 to an 04, that little tool will do the job for you. So it's an inexpensive way to help somebody enjoy their car a little bit more or a little bit longer. That's all I've got for you today. I look forward to talking to you next week with a much more in-depth video. You guys stay safe. Have a happy Easter.